Arthritis in dogs is common, especially in older or larger breeds, but many owners don't realize the early signs. Detecting it early can make a big difference in managing pain and maintaining mobility. Here are some subtle signs that are often missed. One of the earliest signs of arthritis in dogs is stiffness, particularly after periods of rest or sleep. A dog with developing joint problems may struggle to get up or move around immediately, appearing slow or awkward for the first few steps. This stiffness is often most noticeable in the morning or after a long nap. Another early sign of arthritis in dogs is a noticeable hesitation or refusal to jump. Movements that were once effortless may suddenly become challenging because the joints are sore or inflamed. Dogs instinctively avoid actions that cause them pain, so what may seem like stubbornness or laziness is often their way of protecting themselves from discomfort. Early arthritis in dogs can often be detected through subtle changes in the way they walk. These changes occur because inflamed or painful joints make certain movements uncomfortable, causing the dog to shift weight to less affected limbs. Unlike an obvious injury, the alterations in gait from arthritis are usually gradual and easy to miss. Careful observation of how your dog walks, both at rest and during activity, can help identify joint problems early, allowing for timely treatment to reduce pain and maintain mobility. A common, but often overlooked sign of arthritis in dogs is excessive licking or chewing of their joints. This behavior can become frequent and persistent, and over time may even lead to redness or sores on the skin. While some licking is normal, consistent attention to the same joint areas is a strong indicator that the dog is experiencing discomfort. Dogs with arthritis often begin to lose muscle mass around the joints that are affected. Muscle loss can further reduce mobility and stability, making it harder for the dog to support itself and increasing the risk of injury. Noticing subtle changes in your dog's muscle tone or body shape can be an early warning sign of arthritis, prompting timely intervention to preserve strength and comfort. Joint Care soft chews are designed to help dogs of all ages with everyday joint stiffness and to support overall joint health. The chews are easy to give and have a tasty pork flavor that dogs love, making supplementation simple and stress-free. By giving these chews, you can help support your dog's joints and connective tissue, keeping them active, comfortable, and enjoying life to the fullest. By paying attention to these early signs and taking proactive steps, you can help your dog maintain mobility, reduce discomfort, and enjoy a more active, happy life.